Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Super Simple Saturday. So I've got a really quick, fun and easy way to make some monster lollipops I'm going to show you guys today. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food and fun and Halloween, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and be sure to check the description below. There's details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so if we wanted to make lollipops from scratch, we would have to get out a pan or a pot, some water, sugar. We'd have to probably make a mess on the stove. It'd take quite a while and I'd probably burn myself a couple of times. So this is like, I call it like the cheat method. So super simple again. So I've just got a bunch of Jolly Ranchers here and I just unwrapped them. So you can make these multicolored, or you can do them all the same color, but I'm just gonna do about, let's see if I can get these out of the bowl first. I went ahead and unwrapped them. I didn't figure that was too exciting for y'all to watch. Okay, so we can do these all the same color, or we can mix it up and do 3 colors, like so. I want the pink one in there. There we go. I think I like the ones that are different colored. Let's do that. Let's mix this up. Okay, so what have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have the oven set to 275 degrees, so it's kind of low. I'm gonna put these in there and I'm just gonna keep an eye on until they start to melt. Now, once they start to melt, I'm gonna pull them out. Well, I'll show you when we get to that part. I need a, well, I guess I don't need it yet, is a oven mitt. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the oven and I'm gonna watch them for a few minutes. All right, and when they look just like that, we're gonna pull them straight from the oven, and then I've got some little lollipop sticks here that I am just going to push right into the middle. And you can get those at Walmart. You can get them at any craft store. And then I've got some big eyeballs that we're going to put in here. And some little eyeballs. We're just going to press these down in there. So you kind of got to work fast. Uh-oh. Better eat that. Oh, it's making a string. Okay. We gotta work fast here. Fix my mess up there. Oh, we almost had another one. Where to put it? Where to put it? Right there. Okay. I am going to put these back in the oven just for maybe a minute or so, just to make sure that these eyeballs kind of melt down in there and they stay. All right, so back to the oven, just like a minute or so. Now, once you've pulled them from the oven, you want to let them sit for just a little bit until they're nice and cool, and then you can pull them up from the parchment paper. So you definitely want to make sure that you line your cookie sheet with parchment paper so that they don't stick. But aren't those adorable? Look how cute these are. So cute, right? So I encourage you guys to give these a try because they're super easy, like I said. But I also give you another little tip. So if you ever see like little molds like this, so see how they have the little line there? You can make lollipops out of these, or even silicone molds like this. So Pampered Chef has a cookie mold where you can make your own like gingerbread house. And last year I did a Halloween house, and I think I did a Valentine's Day house. And I actually made like the lollipop mixture to go in there. But my point behind all this is you can always just use like hard candy and break it up into little bits. You could break up the Jolly Ranchers, you know, hit them with a hammer, and they get small enough. You can put them in there and fill it up, and you can make lollipops that way. So anyway, I think I should get out that cookie mold though and show you guys. We should do another Halloween house this year. So anyway, I think these are super cute. I hope you guys give them a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.